This experimental unit contains two radiation sources, a heat radiator and a light emitter. This white box with black plate at the front side is the heat radiator, and this white box with a bulb inside is the light emitter. The heat radiation emitted by this heat radiation are detected by means of this radiation sensor and known as radiometer. This is the radiometer which detects the heat radiation. Likewise, light radiations are recorded by means of this lux meter. Various target plates of different emissivity and aperture plates have been installed on this frame. The radiation sources as well as accessories are mounted on horizontal aluminum profile base frame with track scale. This light emitter can be rotated to study how the angle of incidence affects the radiation intensity. The angles are read off the angular scale from this angular scale. The heat radiation uses a 500 watt heater which operates on 220 volts electrical supply which is fitted with high temperature limit switch. This light emitter uses a 100-watt bulb. It also has three color filter plates to demonstrate the effect of color filters on light intensity. All the relevant values are displayed on this LCD display. This data is helpful in studying radiation experiments and optical laws. Thank you very much.